Break my heart if you want to. Well, I really don't mind. That's how much.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa. So today we are doing a semi-deep clean of my living room. So let's get into this.
I want you, yeah, yeah. I know it's only been 3 weeks and you're a little insecure, but let me tell you what I'm feeling. I promise that I love you and never let you go. When you're feeling down, I'll always hold you close. Won't keep any secrets, won't play with your heart, yeah.
So here I am just dusting the blinds. I'm also going to vacuum out the tracks in my windows because they were really dirty and needed doing. I haven't done them in a long time. I do need to clean the windows inside and out, but that can wait for summer. I don't want to do it because we're still getting wind and rain here. It's spring in Australia, so yeah, no point really doing them at the moment. I could do the inside, but yeah, no, not going to do that. Here I'm just vacuuming behind the chairs. This doesn't get done very often, but it should be, and cleaning off my glass sliding door, which I may say didn't work out that well. You can't see it on the video, but it was really smeary. I have to redo it, and I'm doing the track in the sliding glass door because that does get dirty. Even though we've got the pavers down now and we're in the process of doing grass out the back, there's still a lot of dirt patches. When we first moved in, the backyard was practically just dirt, and obviously there was a lot more dirt blowing in then, but yeah, it just gets filled with dirt, the tracks. And as you can see, it is windy and it is starting to rain, which is why I have that look on my face like, why am I doing this now for? Because it's going to rain, and between the wind, the rain, the dirt and the dog slobber, this door won't look any better by tomorrow morning. But anyway, getting it done. I'm just using the Fairy power spray and vinegar and water to clean the window and cleaning the track, which I said was dirty. Moving on to the TV, I just sprayed the vinegar and water spray and just giving that a bit of a clean. The TV doesn't get too bad because we don't really touch the TV because we have remote controls. Now moving on to the entertainment unit, and this was really dusty. You can't see it on the camera, but it was really dusty. And I sort of get an idea of when the house is becoming too dusty, like it's time to clean things off, because I do get asthma and hay fever, and you seem to notice that you're a bit huffier than normal and you start sneezing a lot. So going to give this a dust, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side with the chair and the window and the track. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So how often do you guys give your house sort of a semi-good clean? I mean, this isn't what I'd really call a deep clean because I'm not cleaning the walls or the skirting boards, but how often do you go over certain parts of your house? Like, I was doing it weekly, and then I broke my knee, and I was laid off probably for about 8, 9, 10 weeks and couldn't really do anything. And it's been a slow process getting back, I must say, a very slow process getting back into it. I got back into working out reasonably quickly just because I didn't want to lose progress, but I just sort of find during the day now that there doesn't seem to be enough hours in the day. Like, I get up and get the kids ready and do all that la-di-da-di-da stuff and work out, and by the time I've worked out and cleaned up, you know, it's time really for the kids and hubby to come home, and laundry. By the time you do laundry, my day's gone. When I do laundry, it's like you're running between that and doing other things, and the day's gone. And plus working with my husband, yeah, the day's just gone. But I am trying to get back into good habits with cleaning. I've always tried to maintain a semi-clean house, but it has been a bit of a struggle as of late.
Baby, I'm down if you're down. Just say the words, and I'll be yours forever. Yeah, yeah, forever. Yeah, I'll be yours forever. Yeah, yeah, forever. Yeah, oh, yeah. One bedroom apartment, spending every night with you. That's all I want, babe. Oh, and if I ever make a mistake, I promise you that I'll change. I do.
So I found these wipes. I have used them before, but it was on our previous couch. They're leather wipes. I thought I'd give them a try on this couch, just to make life easier as far as wiping it down and stuff. I mean, it doesn't take much, but you know, making life easier for myself, and they work really, really well. They are a little bit hexy. I think they're like $5 for the pack, but they're worth it, I think. And now I'm cleaning down my home gym, and yes, I have moved the home gym into my living room, which sort of is good but not good, because I'm working out every day and using it every day. It was in the garage, and then the garage got too full because my husband had to buy things like a trailer and stuff for his new business, and there was just no room for it. Then it got moved outside, which really isn't conducive because, you know, we're sort of in winter when that happened, and it's kind of hard to work out on a piece of equipment when it's raining, so we moved it into the living room. We are hoping to get another garage, well, not a garage, but another shed soon, so all the gym equipment can move out there. But for the moment, it's in the living room, along with my weight bench, which my house is turning into a home gym. My living room is anyway. So we've moved on. I've wiped that down. I'm now going to do the couch with them wipes I was telling you about, and then I am going to set the Roomba off. I did get a Roomba i7 Plus a few days ago, and it is a lifesaver. I don't mind vacuuming. Don't mind it at all, but it just saves so much time, and it's just one less thing I have to do, and the carpets are clean with 2 dogs, kids, a husband, and the dogs destroying toys daily. The carpets get pretty grotty, so it is a lifesaver, and I am going to do a review on it like I said before, but you will get a sneak peek of it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm just going to play some music for the rest of it, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Anything for you.